How to be. How to love your girlfriend. Find your feet. Much of your mutual feelings rest on your strong, determined personalities. Make her fall in love with you over and over again by showing your strengths, adequate self-esteem and desire to improve each day. This will make her proud of being with a man like you. Get along with her friends and family. To a girl, her family and her close friends mean everything, because she shares all the intimate details of her life with them. And to a large extent, she listens to her friends and takes their opinions seriously. So make an effort to get along with her friends and treat them well. She'll be happy to see that you're a big hit with her loved ones. Show her real appreciation. Instead of focusing only on appearance, or giving compliments for the obvious things, try paying attention to her strengths. Compliment her on things she is most proud of. Also, don't forget to appreciate simple things she does for you by saying, "Thanks for bringing in the paper," or "Thanks for always being there for me." After a while, you will develop the appreciation habit. Just love her for herself. Your love is not conditional, it is not based on any special qualities. You love her. Women have qualities we love in them. Perhaps they're smart, or sexy, or inspirational, or funny, or even rich. This is not why you love her just because of her, nothing else. Even though you celebrate everything that she is, even though you worship her for what she does in the world, she needs to know that you simply love her, no matter what. This is so crucial. It's the little things that matter. It's the gentle touch of your hand, how you wipe the hair out of her eyes, how you stare into her eyes, the random hug or kiss throughout the day, the simple text letting her know you are thinking about her. Text her every morning to say "Good morning, beautiful." You don't have to do all these things every single day, but most definitely, make sure you are doing random little "I love yous," "I see you," "I acknowledge your beauty" things every day. Funny is in. When you show a girl you can be lighthearted and funny, you are one step closer to getting her walls down, so you can jump in. Laughter is the best medicine, and when you show a girl you can be funny, or at least try, you will get into her heart and mind fast. So let loose and get a little silly, if you are serious about getting the girl for keeps. Don't bring your past into your relationship. Knowing how to love your girlfriend means proving that this place in your heart can be taken by the only woman in the whole world, and this is her. Don't mention your past infatuations, and don't try to provoke her jealousy by any means. Women are pretty vulnerable when it comes to their beloved's past, since they have no power over it. If she thinks you haven't forgotten your past loves, this can make her look for consolation somewhere else. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you, and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.